Hey, it's Josh here from Kelford Cams. It's 7:30 in the morning and today's an exciting day for us. We have one of 3 machines arriving. These machines are coming on board so we can increase our production capabilities and get stock to you faster. Let's check it out. Part of the move today is actually to move one of our existing machines. This machine takes care of majority of our titanium and bronze products. This machine's going a stone's throw up the way, ready for installation of our new machine. Alright, so that's step 1 done. The old machine's been moved. Now it's time for the new one to come in. Alright, we're getting pretty close. Machine movers have positioned the machine into place. There's leveling to be done, but we're going to take the plastic off the screen. Look at that! We're here with Chris from Global Machine Tools. Chris is an applications engineer and he's down here for the installation of our new machine. Hey Chris, maybe tell us a little bit about your job and what the day looks like.
Sure, for you guys, I do all the installs of the North Island, do some of the installs of the South Island. Today you've got a brand new machine that was actually at our MX show. So it's kind of ready to go, but we're putting it on the floor. We're going to level it, make sure there's no twist to the machine, and then we'll run some tests through the control to make sure everything's handing off and good.
Fantastic.
From there, we'll do maybe a little bit of training, but you guys know what you're doing. You know where you're going with this, so here just to get you going.
Perfect. So a couple of days you reckon we're operational?
Absolutely. You told me I got 2 days, so you tell me, I do it.
Nice. I appreciate it, Ben. Thank you very much. What a busy week it's been. Chris from Global Machine Tools held up to his end of the bargain and got the machine running in 2 days. We are now currently set up on the last operation of the Audi Dazza. This is the intake cam and it's looking really, really good. This machine here is a sister machine to the one we've just got running. This allows us to double our capacity in this operation in machine cells, and we have a couple more machines coming on board over the coming weeks. This is really, really exciting for Kelford Cams because it allows us to increase our capacity tenfold. So we're going to be doing a lot more videos showing you guys the installation process, so watch this space.